Creative shape frames can make the product image feel more important while adding personality to the overall composition. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Select a clean background, then open the Elements panel and search for frames, circles, arches, organic shapes, or decorative borders. Choose a shape that fits your product style and place it in the main visual area. Upload your product image and drag it into the selected frame, then adjust its position so the most important part of the product is clearly visible. Add additional shapes around the frame to create a balanced composition without making the design too busy. Add a bold headline, product details, pricing, and a clear call